With all those muddy messes and inevitable spills, daily cleanups can feel never-ending. That's why the Hoover Power Scrub Elite delivers a powerful clean and faster dry time. Set it to Quick Clean to tackle surface stains right when they happen, while Heat Force helps dry your carpets in less than 45 minutes, so you can get right back to what matters most. Or just turn a dial to clean deeper, lifting embedded dirt and removing stubborn stains with ease. And no matter what mode you choose, Hoover's unique spin scrub brushes take on the toughest messes while being gentle on your carpet. So finally, there's a way to enjoy your clean home in less time. The Power Scrub Elite Carpet Cleaner.